Dr. Vijay Kedia is a private investor in the stock markets, having an experience of more than 2 decades. He has identified many multi-baggers in his career. Some of his investments have appreciated 100 times in the last 10 to 12 years. He has been a keynote speaker at IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Bangalore and was recently conferred with a doctorate degree in finance. Welcoming on the show, one of India's most successful, actually credited with being India's most successful investor, Vijay Kedia. Vijay, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Such a privilege to have you on the Track Invest show.
Thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you.
Now, one of your most favorite sayings is that, let me read this out. Rome wasn't built in a day, but Hiroshima and Nagasaki for sure were destroyed in a day.
Correct.
Tell us what the principle behind this is.
You see, actually this quote is for the newcomers in the market. So any newcomer, most of the newcomers, when they come to the market, they have this, you can say, dream of becoming crorepati overnight.
Absolutely.
So that's a very tricky thing, because they should understand that stock market is, they should treat stock market as a business. It is not a gambling then. For gambling, you should go to Goa or to casino, to Macau, not to stock market. So it's a business. It takes a lot of time, it takes skill, it takes a lot of experience and patience to create wealth over a long-term period. So that is why I use this quote, ki Rome was not built in a day. Any business was not built in a day. Similarly, wealth in the stock market cannot be built in a day. It takes years. Now, another part is Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in a day. In order to become crorepati overnight, they are indulging into, maybe many of them indulging into trading. And here I'm trading, I'm talking about future trading, which is really, future trading is injurious to your wealth. If you will find, you will see that success rate in trading is hardly 1%. So 99% people want to make money or take the pie from 1%. And in order to do that, and you know, trading has a peculiar habit.
Interesting.
You start from 500 shares. When you make money, you increase your commitment to 1,000 shares, then 5,000 shares, then 50,000 shares. And one day, and that one day comes quite often in our market. We have seen every year, maybe once in 2 years, the time comes when stock market crashes like anything, and they have to put circuit filter that now stock market cannot go down further. Market is closed for 15-20 minutes, half an hour. That is cooling off period. Then again market opens. That one day really can spoil, can destroy your wealth you accumulated in last 5 years or 10 years or even 20 years. So for them, this is my message. Remember, Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in a day. And there is not only trading. It is same thing is applicable into, I call them bhangar caps. Out of these 6,000 shares, I always say that maybe more than 3,000, 4,000 shares are coming into the category of bhangar cap. They are traded when market is up, and there is no trace of liquidity when market is down. So people, even in this new investors, they have this habit of asking, tell me some chota share, chote price ka shares. Tell me 5 rupiya ka share, 10 rupiya ka share, 15 rupiya ka shares. So that is a bad habit, because in trading you have escape also, because that you may suppose if you get losses, you can quit the market, you can sell your positions, you can be out. But in those bhangar cap, once you have built up a long position, and when market moves down, you will, the 90% value will go away like this. Will be eroded. So that is why I use this this quote. Ki remember this thing. Save your money, protect your money, and don't try to become crorepati overnight.